Hello friends, I am near my Honda CR-V and I'm going to answer one more question. And this question is, what's the best year of Honda CR-V to buy? You see, I have this 2012-2015 generation of the Honda CR-V, and I believe this is the best generation if you can find it with low mileage. This is the best generation of this vehicle. Why? Because first of all, it has 2.4 engine or 2.0 engine in European countries, and both these engines are really good. So they are durable, they're reliable, they can go a lot of miles, and you will not need to go to repair shops with them really often. Secondly, this generation has simple automatic transmission. In most countries, in most markets, it just has the 5-speed automatic transmission, or in some countries there was a manual transmission, especially with the diesel engine in Europe. And both the manual and the automatic transmissions are very reliable. They can tow up to 3,000 pounds, if not mistaken, and they are overall good. Yes, the mileage, the gas mileage is not perfect at all, but overall these these engine and transmission are perfect. If you go for a newer Honda CR-V 2017, 2019, you will get a 1.5 turbo engine, which is not as great, not as durable. Yes, it's fun to drive, it's good, but it's not as durable as you may want it to be. And the CVT transmission. The CVT transmission for this vehicle means that you will not tow anything, and you will probably replace this transmission in 100,000 miles or something like that. And this is a bad idea. This is a bad idea for your budget. So buying this kind of Honda, that's a bad idea. So if you want to buy the Honda CR-V, you should concentrate on the 2012, 2014, maybe some 2015 models, and buy the ones with the simple automatic transmission and 2.4 or 2.0 engine. This is my personal opinion about the best years of the Honda CR-V to buy. Hope I answered your question. So see you in the next videos.